Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leslie and today I'm finishing out what I started on Monday. I want to make a loaf of bread. I've got meatballs and sauce in the crock pot cooking away, so now I want to make a loaf of bread. I'm going to put away the last few items that I have out from my grocery trip. I haven't done that. It's the same day for me. Different day for you. So, my niece said she just followed the basic bread recipe. 2-pound loaf, I think. I don't know, I'm gonna have to check again. But I'm gonna get all my ingredients right. A little frustrated, had to read some directions. Don't like that. All right, we're gonna start off with 3/4 of a cup of water. Doesn't say hot, doesn't say cold, so we're just giving it what's coming out of the tap. Okay. 3/4 of a cup of water. It's said to let it do its baking thing for 10 minutes before you use it for the first time. I couldn't figure out how to do that. Whatever. Might have a little smell. Everything is fine. All right. 1 teaspoon of salt, and they give you this. This is teaspoon, and this is tablespoon. So we're going to do a teaspoon of salt, and it says to add it in the, it's been years since I've made bread. At least in a bread maker. Hold on. That's a little crunchy. We don't use it that often. Okay. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Need to clean that top. That's disgusting. One, 2, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We are melting butter. You can use vegetable oil. No, thank you. Sugar. Flour. Okay, 2, what did we say? 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Melt this in the microwave. 2.5 cups of bread flour. One half. One. One half. Two. And a 1/2. Okay. All right. Then what? 1 1/4 teaspoons of bread machine yeast. I believe that's a whole packet of this, but I don't know. One packet is 1/4 ounce, 2 1/4 teaspoons, and I need 1 1/4. Okay? So, because yeast goes bad kind of quickly, we'll just throw 1 teaspoon out. It's fine. Where is the scissor? Okay, not real sure. Okay, that's not going well. Where are my scissors? Crafters should have scissors everywhere. Where are my scissors? Okay, let me go find those. Right where they weren't supposed to be. That is so fantastic. All right. So what do we need now that we've had to do all that? We've got 1 1/4 teaspoons. Lower. Okay. I don't know how to figure out 1/4 on here, but I guess I'm gonna have to. And I'm just using Fleischmann's active dry yeast. I've always used that. I'm not real fond of change. All right, 1. And 1/4. Guessing is going to be about right there. We don't know. Sounds good. Oh! I didn't tell you to start, but okay. Okay. It's going. It'll take 2 hours and 55 minutes. I'll see you back on the other side. Maybe it'll work out. All right, the dog and I, come here, have both been bathed. Come here. Okay. And the bread has about 10 more minutes. The sauce and things are ready. I'm going to take the spaghetti, mix it with sauce, put it in a pan, sprinkle it with cheese, put a little bit more, sprinkle it with cheese. And then by the time the bread is done, this will be done. I can let the bread rest. It's gonna be so good. Can't have too much cheese. purple. Yum.